its azure path a gentle trace in Western Australia's rugged grace. The cliffs rise high, a guardian's keep, or verdant fields where secrets sleep, and in the sky the colors sweep, a canvas vast, both bold and deep. In the hills and quiet rest hold stories of the wild west, where ancient rivers carve the quest through landscapes raw and unimpressed. The water's song, a tranquil hymn, flows past the edges, smooth and slim, in twilight's glow or morning's whim, nature's pulse both bright and dim. Here in the heart of earth's embrace, where rivers' journey finds its place, we glimpse a world of boundless space in Western Australia's sacred grace. And the hills in quiet rest hold stories of the wild west, where ancient rivers carve their quest through landscapes raw and unimpressed. And the hills in quiet rest hold stories of the wild west, where ancient rivers carve their quest through landscapes raw and unimpressed. Through landscapes raw and unimpressed. The water's song, a tranquil hymn, flows past the edges, smooth and slim, in twilight's glow or morning's whim, nature's pulse both bright and dim. Here in the heart of earth's embrace, where river's journey finds its place, we glimpse a world of boundless space in Western Australia's sacred grace.